Today we will see question based on borrow, invest and gain. Here there is a question. Ravi borrows 18,000 rupees at 10% simple interest, and after borrowing he immediately invests it, the money that he borrowed, at 10% compound interest, compounded half yearly. So the question is, how much money does Ravi gain in 1 year? Let us see how to solve this kind of problem. Simple interest, you know the formula how to find simple interest: PTR by 100, principal into time into rate by 100. So let us find the simple interest, because Ravi borrows rupees 18,000 at 10% simple interest, right? So when we are finding simple interest, here principal is rupees 18,000, time is 1 year, and rate is 10%. So simple interest would be, we'll just replace the values, and when you simplify and calculate it further, you will get the answer as rupees 1800. So the simple interest that we have found is rupees 1800. Now let us calculate the compound interest. Principal as given in the question is rupees 18,000, rate is 10%, and you remember it's compounded half yearly, so we're taking time as half year, right? He immediately invests money borrowed, the money that he borrowed at 10% compound interest, compounded half yearly. So when we calculate compound interest here, we have to take time as half year. This is the interest for first half year. We'll just replace the values of principal, rate and time. So after replacing and evaluating and calculating it, we will get the answer as rupees 900. So this is the interest for the first half year, rupees 900. Now what is our next step? We have to find the amount for the first half year, and you very well know the formula: principal plus interest. Okay, amount for the first half year. We'll just add the principal and the interest. After adding the values for principal, that is 18,000, plus interest, that is 900, we will get the amount for the first half year as rupees 18,900. So this is the amount for the first half year, rupees 18,900. Now we have to find the interest for the second half year, okay, where principal of this half year, second half year, is the amount of the first half year. That's why we're taking principal as 18,900. Rate is 10% and time is half year. We'll just replace the values. After replacing the values and calculating it, we will get the interest for second half year as rupees 945. So this is the interest for second half year, rupees 945. I hope you have understood till here. Now what is our next step? We have to find the amount for second half year. The formula is principal plus interest. Let us just replace the values of principal and interest. After replacing and adding principal and interest, we will get the amount for second half year as rupees 19,845. So this is the amount for second half year, rupees 19,845. So therefore interest, compound interest, right? You know the formula of compound interest very well. It is amount minus principal, that is the initial principal. So we'll just replace the values to get the answer. After we replace the values and when we subtract amount minus principal, we will get the compound interest as rupees 1845, or 1845 is the compound interest. So therefore how much Ravi will gain at the end of 1 year. Now to find profit or gain, the formula is compound interest minus simple interest. Okay, so that when we subtract these two values, we'll get the answer that how much Ravi has gained. We'll just replace the values. Simple interest is 1800 rupees and compound interest that we calculated is 1845. So we'll just subtract these two values and we will get the answer as rupees 45. So this rupees 45 is the profit that Ravi has gained. I hope you have understood this. See through the video again if you have not understood and keep practicing. And I'm leaving a homework so that you can do this and complete it.